I get asked this question all the time. How do I calculate the LCSW, now LPC, pay rates for Medicare? Click and subscribe if you'd like to get more tutorials like this. This is a Bill Like a Boss tutorial that I'm sharing with everyone just because I know this is a super complicated thing for people to figure out. So I want to show you how to do it. So let's go to the next slide. So we start out here, and this is how you calculate the Medicare rate. You come over to this website here, I've got at the bottom of the page, and you scroll down under Medicare and find your locality. I'm licensed in Virginia. I'm going to click on that. You go over here and you're going to see the Medicare Administrative Contractor Code and the locality number. So you're going to want to keep that website open and then come on over to the next website, which is this link down here at the bottom of the page. You scroll down to the bottom and you click accept, and then you go to search physician fee schedule. You're going to enter in the year 2024. You're going to put in pricing information. You're going to select the range of codes, and you're going to enter, we could do 90791 through 90837 just to give you a range, but you can search any code you want. Skip the modifiers part and then go down to MAC options, pick specific locality, and then we're going to switch back to the website that we started with. We're going to get that locality code that we had talked about before using the link at the bottom of this page. We're going to switch back over here to this website. We're going to enter that code. I choose the one for Virginia. Then you're going to go ahead and click search fees right there at the bottom of the page. Then when you get to this page, you're going to go ahead and look down here and you'll see all the CPT codes listed in a range like we selected. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to go for the non-facility price. They're going to pay you at that rate, hopefully. Things are a little weird right now in early January 2024, but hopefully they're going to pay you for that rate. So you're going to want to select it. We'll start with this one for $168.09. Now this is the physician fee schedule. LCSWs and LPCs are actually paid at a lower rate than physicians. So this is not your rate right here. We're paid at 75% of this rate. So if you come over here to the next slide, let's go over here. I always use ChatGPT for everything. If you know anything about me, you know I love AI. I have the Clinical AI Club, which I started for therapists to learn how to use AI. But right here, what I did is I typed into ChatGPT. I just said, what is 75% of this rate? And I put in the 168.09. You just hit enter and it's going to give you this rate. And as you can see, the rate is 126.07. So that's an approximate rate for 90791 for an LCSW or an LPC. Now let's go back to this website, Medicare Physician Fee Schedule /search.com, and let's look at 90837. So it's 148.62 for the physician rate. So again, this is not the rate you'll be paid for an LCSW or an LPC. So then you go ahead and copy that if you want to. If you could do math, don't worry about using ChatGPT, but I pretty much use it for everything. So I come over here and I put in what is 75% of this rate. I put the rate in, hit enter. It calculates it for me, tells me how it calculates it, which is super nice of ChatGPT. And then it gives me this rate of $111.47. So that is the rate for 90837 approximately in 2024 for an LCSW or an LPC, now that LPCs are allowed to also join Medicare. I hope you found that helpful. Join Bill Like a Boss for more tutorials like this. The link is in the comments below this video. If you're already a Bill Like a Boss member, I hope you find this super helpful. And of course, reach out to me if you need help with any of this or even help getting credentialed with Medicare and figuring out how to bill for Medicare once you get credentialed. We do all of that with you in Bill Like a Boss. Okay, click that subscribe button. I hope you found this helpful and look out for more tutorials just like this.